Good morning to you all. So this video is of permanent tissues. Today I am going to explain the permanent tissues. In that we will come to know about parenchyma. Permanent tissues comes under the chapter tissue. Before I start explaining about its type, first we should know what do we mean by permanent tissues. These permanent tissues are the cells, group of cells differentiated to perform special functions. They are differentiated to perform special function. Then another very important part that they are the tissues, they have lost the ability of dividing or division, because as I had explained about the meristematic tissues, in meristematic tissues their ability is to divide till they become permanent. So they lose their ability of division. And different cells can be seen. In this permanent tissues, different cells can be seen. Epidermis, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem, phloem, cambium. These are the types of cells which are found in permanent tissues. For what purpose these tissues are there? They are arranged in a particular manner. These all cells or tissues are arranged in a particular manner to perform special function in particular manner. To perform special function. What are those functions? These functions may be storage. They may store, they may secrete. Their functions may be storage, their functions may be secretion, their functions may be supportive, their functions may be conduction, may be protection, or there are many other things also, but these are the main things they do. This permanent tissues. Permanent tissues are of two types. Mainly they are of two types. What are these types? The first type is simple permanent tissues, and the second one is complex permanent tissues. So today I am going to explain about the simple permanent tissues, and only one part of this simple permanent tissues, that is parenchyma. What is this? Parenchyma. So let us know about the parenchyma first. Parenchyma cells have thin walled. Their cells are thin walled. इनके जो cells होते हैं वो thin walled होते हैं. Second, they actually thin walled. Why? Because only primary and secondary layers are found in them. Only primary and secondary layers. They are isodimetric. What do we mean by isodimetric? Isodimetric means all the parts are equal. All the arms, you can say, if they are hexagonal, then all the 6 parts or 6 arms are of same size. So this is called isodimetric. They may be found, parenchyma cell may be oval in shape, may be round, hexagonal, or may be polygonal. So these shapes are found in parenchymatous cells or tissues. You may see intracellular space between the cells. So this is all the characteristics of parenchyma. If we draw the diagram, no, see, they are oval in shape. It's okay. They are oval in shape. We can see the arrangements. They are arranged. Thin wall. You can see thin wall. Intercellular spaces are also there. They have intercellular spaces also. And they are isodimetric, as I have told you right now. Now what are their locations where they are found? Their location is they are found in the soft part of root, stem, leaves, flowers. So wherever the soft parts are there they are found. There they are found. For example, I'm going to make you understand, even they are found in mesophyll. In mesophyll. What do we mean by mesophyll? Mesophyll is actually epidermal layer, between the epidermal layer. You must have seen in leaves, lower and epidermal layers are there. This is called lower and epidermal layer. Right in between these parenchymatous cells are there. ये हैं parenchymatous cells. They are arranged. And right in between, do you know what is this? This is cambium. Then if you see properly, these are what? Parenchymatous cell. And here also you can see parenchymatous cell. In lower epidermis also parenchymatous cells. The lower epidermis consisting parenchymatous cells, they are loosely arranged. They are loose. So what they are called? They are called spongy parenchyma. What they are called? Spongy parenchyma. But the upper part, they are called palisade. What they are called? They are called palisade. Where, you know, in parenchyma, they are capable of photosynthesis also if they have chloroplast. In some of the parenchyma, chloroplast is found. So you know well, in chloroplast, chlorophyll pigments are present. If chlorophyll pigments are there, it means such kind of parenchyma can go through the process or will go through the process of photosynthesis. So the parenchyma which has chloroplast, they are called chlorenchyma. What they are called? Chlorenchyma. It means what? That the parenchyma is of two types. The first one is chlorenchyma, where the chloroplast is present, like palisade cells. Here chloroplasts are there, which can perform the process of photosynthesis. In some parenchymatous cells, air spaces are there. What are there? Air spaces. And such parenchyma which has air space, they are called arenchyma. What they are called? Arenchyma. What is their function? Their function is to provide buoyancy. Buoyancy means floating capability. In those plants, in those parts where arenchyma is there, they can float in the water. So where are they found? They are found, such arenchymas are found in aquatic plants. Another kind of parenchyma is arenchyma, which is found in aquatic plants. So these are their locations. And as I told you, parenchyma is of two types, chlorenchyma and arenchyma. Now what is their function? The first function is it acts as storage cells, temporarily storage cells. They can store, and if they have chloroplast, then they perform the process of photosynthesis. And if they have air spaces, it means they provide buoyancy to the aquatic plant. This is their function. Their function is secretions also secretions. So this is all about permanent tissues. I hope you people have understood, and in my description box I'll give you the link of meristematic tissue. Then it will become easy for you to understand. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much.